Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this Fanttik X9 Ace air inflator. So this thing's really compact. You're going to first charge it with USB-C. Now it does come with a little cable, but you do have to put it into a wall charger. Charge it up with USB-C. There's a little light here that's going to come on. When it's blinking, that means it's charging. When it's white and steady, it means it's fully charged. Now, there's one thing about here, it's got two different types of valves. You're going to unscrew this depending on what type of valve you want. And it's got a little, I like that it has a little picture here. So here, you're just gonna flip this way or that way. So we have, the first one is for most bikes, it's the Schrader valve. So you'll notice that's the one where it has to push something down in order to let the air out. So that if I want the Schrader valve, then I would just put this way on. Now, if I want the other valve, which is for road bikes, they call it the Presta valve, which is kind of like, there's no center thing to have to press down. Air is just going to come out of there. So if I want that part on, then I just flip it around and screw this around. That's a really neat feature. I like that it has both valves on there. Now I can move this. This is a swivel fitting. Okay, press it on there. And now let's talk about the display. Now it's in the off position. To turn it on, hold this button for about 5 seconds. Now it's going to display the PSI. You can change whatever PSI you want, and it will shut off when it reaches that PSI. You can go all the way up to 100. If I hold the button, it goes really fast. Let's see just how high it will go. 150, and just press and hold the button, it'll go all the way down now. Now that's a really high PSI. Let's do something around 20. All right, now when I want to start it, I just press that button again. See, there's that white light. That lets me know that it's fully charged. When that light turns orange, that means it has 50% charge. When it's red, it means it needs to be recharged. It has less than 20%. Now, I've got my PSI set, and when I plug it into my bike, it's going to show me the display. It's going to just change the display to, that's how much is in the bike tire right now. I don't have it hooked up. But now I just, to turn it on, press the button one more time. Air's gonna come out. And again, when it reaches that PSI, it shuts off. And you can store this like this. This is really nice. And then to power it off, it will turn off after 3 minutes, but I can hold the button and turn it off myself. So again, let's turn it back on. Gotta hold the button. And then press it again to start. It's not very loud. Let's go over measurements real quick. So 4 1/4 by 3 1/4, thickness 1.5 inches. And again, it's rated at 3.5 volts. Pressure is 3 to 150 PSI. Charging 5 volts, 2 amps. Battery capacity is 18 watt amps. So again, there's a close-up of the two different valves. And all you got to do is unscrew this and install the other one. This is everything that comes in the box. So this is meant for, bicycle tires. With that Schrader valve, you could do a car tire. There's what that one looks like. And the reach, that is about 4 inches. It's flexible, and you would want to screw this onto the tire. That part screws and doesn't move this. So really neat feature. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.